What's up, y'all? It's GT Junior Grows at Alaska, and I had a question to all you people that understand and know about sweet potatoes. I am lost. I don't know what I'm doing, and I need help. I've researched it enough to where I thought I knew what I was doing. Now, I was on almost. I was on. Watch your mouth. I was on Wind Down Wisney with Nikki, Bougie, and Stacy. I forgot who channel it was on. I just seen it. I'm always over there. I try to get over there every Wednesday. And one of the things that they had Garden Confessions over there. And on Garden Confessions, you talk about things that, that has happened in your garden, because gardening is supposed to be normalized. Shout outs to Broke. And with Garden Confessions, what I understand about it is that we're supposed to normalize a little, to self-assure that everyone else has experienced some of the drawbacks that we have had in the garden, with not watering our starts properly, not putting a jacket on them when they know they're cold outside. It's all elements to why our plants may suffer or things don't get done like they're supposed to or whatever. So we was normalizing that. My question is, what I know is that I'm trying to get these sweet potatoes to actually survive. Part of it is understanding what I'm dealing with. What I'm dealing with is it's 58 degrees outside right now, but in my garage it's normally between 68 and 75 degrees. I have grow lights. I have a grow tent. I can add moisture. I can create a humidity dome, but I don't want them to fail like they did last time. How they failed last time is all I did was I took them out of the bag, and that was at nighttime. I put them in the grow bag, and then the next morning they look like this. Okay? So if you have advice, I really would appreciate it if I should put a humidity dome on it, because that's what I believe, but I just wanted to check in with everybody else because I don't know. Should I put it in a I could use a solo cup, and then I could create a humidity dome for the top, and put light holes in it, and then as the plant progresses, put more holes so that it has a introduction to the environment. I cannot put it in direct sunlight. I need assistance. 9 times out of 10, it should not go outside, because our climate it's definitely going to be different from the climate that they experienced at rareseed.com or Baker Creek. Man, I was supposed to stop there. At Baker Creek. So if you got information to help your boy out, please let me know. I forgot how windy it is. I hope this video ain't too bad. But I'm trying to grow these sweet potatoes. It's an orange variety. I thought it was a purple variety, but it's like an orangish variety that I'm trying to do. So just holler at me. Let me know something. All right, then. Trust the process. The sweet potatoes will be here in about a week or so, something like that. They sending them out. Close this. They sending them out priority. So they might get here sooner, 3-4 days or whatever. But y'all, I want to grow sweet potatoes here. I really do. So if you got advice, suggestions, anything of the sorts, or you just go team go, however you want to give it to me, I appreciate you. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. I'm finna get up out of here. Back to work. I'll holler.